Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I've got this package to unbox for you. I bought this on eBay for £14.20 and I'm going to show you what it is. Look at that. He's doing a free sound disc, that's very nice of him. It's a DW907 naked 12 volt Dewalt drill. Oh, that doesn't look good. Look at the corrosion on one of the batteries. The first thing to do is to test the batteries. Right, here goes. Getting sort of half of a volt out of that one. This one's got a bit of corrosion, so it might be difficult to read. Getting about a third of a volt out of that one. So definitely the batteries are gone. With the batteries kaput, I've come up with an idea to test this drill. Like you've seen, I've opened it and I'm connecting this Milwaukee M12 12 volt battery to it. So that works. So all that remains is to come up with a plan to get this into something I can use. The simplest option I can think of to make this into a usable drill for me is to adapt it to fit this M12 Milwaukee battery. And to do this, you need this. That's a Milwaukee battery adapter that you can get on the internet on eBay for £7.88. Right, so the adapter's connected now. All remains to do is tidy up the wires here a little bit and close it up. And with that all closed up, all I've got to do is stick the battery adapter to the bottom of the Dewalt with this hot glue gun, you see here. So here we are, totally assembled, everything back together the way it should be. Now for the moment of truth. That's the world's first Dewalt M12 drill. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more of this kind of content.